Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Mimaki Master Studio. In this video, we'll show you how you can create labels with an embossed finish using the Mimaki UCJV series printer and clear ink. For this effect, we'll be using Mimaki LUS 170 inks on a metallic gold adhesive-backed film. We'll start by creating our graphic. First, we assign a color to replace. That allows our media to show through. Then, we add a separate color layer that will be replaced with clear ink later. Once the design is finished, adding cut lines is easy with Rasterlink tools. We'll load our finished graphic into our Rasterlink software. Then, we'll work in the color replacement window to select any colors we want omitted, changing each color to a 0% fill. Now, our media will show through. Then we make a special clear plate out of our separate color layer. The UCJV will print a layer of color inks first, then automatically follow with a layer of clear ink. This gives us the embossed look we're after. After printing, the UCJV switches to the cut function, reading the registration marks for a perfect predetermined cut contour line. And with a precise cut, we can easily peel the labels from the media and place them on our bottle. Clear ink allows you to add both a high-value finish and eye-catching detail to your prints. For more information on the UCJV300 series and detailed application guides, visit mimakiusa.com. And be sure to follow us on social media. Join us next time for Mimaki Master Studio.